guys, Miss Julie here with Miss Julie's Hair Studio, and I am here today because I've been seeing a lot of my clients posting pictures of their root growth coming in, and especially my clients that have gray hair. So I did want to say a couple different things about that. I do have things that I can get from my supply company, Goldwell. They have powders that will completely 100% cover gray. There's also some soft sprays that I can color match to your natural color, so you don't have to walk around with gray hair during this quarantine time. If you really don't want to, you can message me and I'm happy to place an order and get that shipped to you for sure. That's basically for anybody that really their gray hairs just really are bothering them over the top, but you don't want to damage your hair by doing box dye. So what we can also do, I just wanted to show for my clients that don't really want to necessarily buy a cover-up product, they're just kind of willing to stick it out. So I got Gina here, and Gina, as you can see, has some gray hair coming in. And she is one of my clients that she doesn't necessarily want to totally cover them because there's not that many, but she just wants some kind of option of what she can do to kind of mask them, hide them a little bit without having to get product. So when you have a straight part, guys, you can see everything when we part our hair straight. So what I want to show you is just a quick little, I guess it could be a hair hack kind of thing, but she likes to part her hair on the side here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna comb all the hair back. So all the hair back, and you can put your part wherever you wear it, whether it's center part, whether it's side part, this will work for anything. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the wide teeth of your comb, any comb will work, whatever you have, if it's a rat tail comb, if you have a comb like this, a barbering comb, doesn't matter. You're just gonna take your little wide teeth and you're gonna place your comb right where you would start your part. And I want you to be a little bit aggressive with this. I mean, you don't wanna dig up your scalp, but what you're gonna do is you're really gonna kind of make this zigzaggy pattern all the way down to where you would stop the part. Now at that point, you're gonna put your finger right in the center and you're gonna hold that, and this one side, you're gonna bring over. And then what we're gonna do is this other side we're gonna bring over. And I don't know if you can see this, but what we've just created is called a zigzag part. And obviously, if that hair wants to go that way, move it there. But what we're doing here is without having that real harsh center part, you can now see her grays are a lot less visible. And that's just by breaking up our part line. You can see I did that to my hair today. Just took the comb, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You split it, and then you've got these nice little zigzags where you can see that I have roots growing in, but so do my clients. So I decided I'm gonna let my roots grow as long as my clients have to. But I don't want a straight part line so you can see everything. So the zigzag, you can see it even brings some of my pink over. So it really does help to break up that kind of harsh just line where you can see everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this little zigzag tutorial, and I hope that it helps you and makes you feel a little bit better. But as always, I do have products that we can totally use to cover up those roots, and I can ship them to you at home. Okay guys, so if you want to message me, obviously you can do that at MissJuliesHairStudio.com, and I am very happy to be here to help us all during this crazy quarantine we're in. Okay, have a great day guys. Bye-bye.